Dub?
Dub.
Dub?
Dub could work. Some
Yeah,
dub.
dub.
What's a good title for a dub track?
Instant.
What'd you say? Scrap the drums.
Scrap the trams? Scrap the trams?
Scrap the trams!
Is this to do with some local, sort of local council thing going on here? Are they trying to bring trams into Edinburgh and you want them out?
Yeah.
Yeah, scrap the trams!
Alright, this is a
protest
topical, satirical protest song in a dub style. Irie! Woo!
Yeah, man. Dub, Scottish style. Yeah, don't want no trams in the city centre. I do not want rails around, cause it's cost over £1 million. 7 million, 12 million, 20 million. Doesn't matter what it costs, it's not brilliant. No, we don't want trams in Edinburgh city. Cause they won't be pretty. It will cost too much, it will be expensive. Yes, I think them representing, they're not representing people. Yes, all you see, all the authorities is evil. Just want to be grabbing the money from the contracts. Friends in high places, but you know that is so whack. No, everybody now say now, we don't want no trams in Edinburgh town city. Yes, whatever, no tram city, no tram city, no tram city, no tram city, no tram city. The idea could not be thicker. You know what I said, the bus is quicker. Yes, if you want to get to the airports, yes, you know the trams will be your last resort. Nobody no want no tram system. Aye. Nobody no want no tram system. Aye. Nobody no want a tram system. A tram ding 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 bang 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 said. Don't want no trams, don't want no trams, don't want no trams, don't want no trams, don't want to see the trams, don't want no trams, don't want no trams. Oh!